Caring for your Fireclay sink is easy with the Sinkology Fireclay Care IQ Kit. Let's walk through how to use it. Inside the kit, you'll find the Restore Cleaning Polish, the Defend Protective Sealant, and a microfiber cloth. Everything you need to maintain and protect your Fireclay sink. Start by using Restore to gently clean and refresh your sink. Shake the bottle well and apply a small amount of the polish to your microfiber cloth. Buff away scuffs, stains, or surface marks, spreading it evenly over the sink. Once your sink is clean, it's time to protect it with Defend. Shake the bottle well and spray the sealant directly onto the sink's surface. Use the microfiber cloth to gently buff it off. This sealant forms a barrier against water spots and enhances the natural shine of your sink. With just these simple steps, your Fireclay sink will stay beautiful and protected for years to come.